Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a great question on one of our videos. We showed you how to autoplay a YouTube video and mute the sound on it using a bit of code. Today we're going to show you how to do that with an MP4. Somebody written a question is, how do you do this with an MP4? As you can see, I've got two videos up there. The one on the left you have to manually start, and the one on the right is auto playing and looping. And it's pretty easy to do. We've actually got to use a bit of JavaScript for this today, and I'm borrowing some from this site here. Don't let that put you off. It's a simple copy and paste, really easy to do. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. There's the regular video. I'll just leave that one there. Let's delete this autoplay one right here. And we'll start from scratch. And hit the plus. Go down and get a video module. For anybody that's interested, these blue purpley modules here are from the free Divi Brain add-on plugin. It's a great addition, free addition to the Divi theme. I'll put that link below the video too if anybody wants to use that one. Okay, let's find a video module. As you can see, there we go. Divi comes with plenty of modules. Right, well, let's upload our MP4. I've already got one uploaded. If not, just pull it up here and we'll use this one again. Now usually I'd go down and put in an overlay, which is a background still for a fallback image if this doesn't work. But don't do this. If you're doing this today, don't put the overlay in, because this will not work if you put the overlay in. So it's really important, don't put an overlay image in the background of your autoplay video. Okay, so we've got our video up there. Let's go over to our Advanced tab. And we'll take a look at this page. And I'll put this page link below the video, obviously. First thing we need to do is give it a CSS class, and we have to give it the class that they've specified here. You can give it your own. Here's a class, LWP Video Autoplay. I'm going to copy that, Control C. Like I say, you can give it your own class, but if you do, we're going to use this script in a minute, you'd have to replace all instances of this here. Every time you see that there, you'd have to replace it with your new class. So I'm just going to use the one they've provided here. So I've copied that class name. And let's go back to the page. And we'll go in and we'll give this class, put this class name in CSS Classes under Advanced tab there. Great. Now we can save that. We need to go to our theme options, which is Dashboard, Divi, Theme Options. Go over to your Integration tab right there. Let's delete the script that I've got here already. And where it says Add Code to the head of your blog, we need to copy the code down here. Control C to copy. Back to our theme options, simply paste it in here. And we've got, this is going to make it loop. That's line 5, and it's going to make it muted so there's no sound, line 4. And it's also going to not show the controls, which is line 11 there. Now if you want to show the controls, and I'll demonstrate this in a minute, delete line 11. If you want it not to be muted, delete line 4. And if you don't want it to loop, delete line 5. I'll leave these all on at first. So let's save the changes now, which you've got your little check mark, there it is. Now let's go back to our page. We've given it the class, the video's in there. Let's save our page here. and exit the Visual Builder. And as you can see, it's playing automatically there, which is just what we want. But with the way it is at the moment, there's no sound, as you can hear, or as you can not hear, I suppose. And also, there's no way of turning the sound on if you wanted to, or making it full screen. So I'd kind of like them to have the option of turning the sound on. I know this is just a short video clip, but it would be nice to turn the sound on and view it full screen if they wanted to. So I'm going to go back in to my options here. I'm going to delete line 11, which is, you can see it says controls at the end there. So I'm simply selecting all of that. I want to make sure you just select that line, nothing else. Delete it. Close up the gap. And we'll save again. And let's go back and refresh the page again. Now it looks pretty similar, but when I hover over it, I've got the option to pause it, play it, unmute the volume, turn the volume up and down, and also we can play it full screen if we want to. And I quite like that little feature. Like I say, initially when your mouse is not on it, it looks exactly the same. Let's just mute that back out again. So that's how to get an autoplay MP4 going on your site. Now, one thing I want to add is be careful about adding large MP4s to your site, because it will slow it down. It's a lot for the server to sort of go through. If you can stream it either from YouTube or somewhere else, it's the easiest option for it. But of course, in some instances you want to add one. Little ones like I've got going here are not going to put too much strain on it at all. So there you go, guys. I hope that's answered your question. It's pretty easy, and thanks to learnhowwp.com for supplying this code. Like I say, you can give it your own class, but you'd have to replace the class name right here in the script. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instances of it, but that's fine. However, this seems to work absolutely fine. So I hope you found this useful today and enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.